You built an app. It runs perfectly on your laptop. You send it to a teammate and it instantly breaks. Missing library, wrong version, different operating system. This is the oldest headache in software, and Docker is how we finally killed it.
Your app never runs alone. It leans on a language version, a pile of libraries, and system settings. On another machine, one is missing or a different version, and the whole thing falls over. The app is fine. Its environment is not. Docker's fix is to stop shipping just the app. You package it together with everything it needs, the runtime, the libraries, the system bits, into one sealed bundle called an image, built from a small recipe file called a Dockerfile. An image is built in layers, stacked bottom to top. A base operating system, then the runtime, then your dependencies, then your code on top. Each layer is cached and can be shared, so rebuilding after a small change is fast, and downloading is cheap. An image just sits on disk, frozen. To actually run it, you start a container. A container is a running instance of an image, a live, isolated process that thinks it has its own little machine. The image is the blueprint. The container is the thing that is actually alive. And because the image is just a blueprint, you can start many containers from the same one. 10 identical copies of your web server, each isolated, all from a single image. Start them, stop them, throw them away. The image never changes. In practice, it is 3 commands. Docker build turns your Dockerfile into an image. Docker run starts a container from that image. And Docker ps lists what is currently running. That is genuinely most of what you type day to day. A container is sealed off by default. So how do you reach the app inside? You publish a port, mapping a port on your machine to a port inside the container. And how do you keep your data when a container is thrown away? You mount a volume, a folder that lives outside the container and survives it. Real apps are rarely one container. A typical setup is a web server, a database, and a cache, each in its own container, and they all need to find and talk to each other. Wiring that up by hand, one Docker run at a time, gets painful fast. So you write it down once. A compose file lists every service, its image, its ports, and how they connect. Then a single command, docker compose up, starts the whole stack together, already wired. One file, one command, the entire application on any machine. So the whole model is 3 words. An image is the blueprint, everything your app needs, frozen. A container is a running instance, and Compose runs many containers as one app. There's a written walkthrough on unwrote.com, linked in the description. That is Docker from zero. Once it clicks, the whole container world opens up. Next up, how Kubernetes takes over from here.